For this experiment, I am gonna answer 3 questions. Number 1. What do you feel when you put both hands in the third bowl? Describe the sensation. When I put both of my hands in the third bowl, my right hand kinda felt like from hot to cold, and on my left hand, I felt like cold to hot. Number 2. Do your hands feel the same in the third bowl? Why or why not? I think it is different. I think it is because of thermal energy in our body. Number 3. Why do you think a thermometer should be used instead of our hands in measuring temperature? Because the thermometer is more advanced than our hands. Now I'm gonna test this cold water. I think it is about 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm gonna test the spaghetti. I think this is about 30 degrees Celsius.